Hi everybody, tonight we are going to be making a crispy chicken thigh peanut sauce salad. So hopefully you will love it as much as I do. We're going to start with our bag of peanut and crispy noodle salad kit from Trader Joe's. Okay, this is easy breezy, you guys. We're going to open it with scissors. How easy is that? And guess what? It comes with all your toppings. So you're going to dump it in the bowl. Okay. We're going to throw it in there. You got your spoon. I hope you're chiming me as to how long this takes. Okay. This is dinner tonight. So cut it open. You've got your crispy noodles here. You can pour those out in there. All right. Take those out. And then guess what? You've got your peanuts and your peanut sauce. And we are going to cut that open and you're going to pour this peanut sauce all over your salad that you've dumped in the bowl already. Okay. And earlier this week, I made grilled chicken thighs. So I thought, you know what? This is going to give me another meal. I used them for grilled chicken sandwiches, and then I took the leftover grilled chicken thighs, cut them up into little chunks. Guess where they're going? Right in this salad that I got at Trader Joe's. It's so simple, you guys. So easy breezy. So once you get your sauce and your little rice noodles in there, just kind of gently mix it around so all of that good peanut sauce. Then I'm going to take my meat. Look at that. And these Trader Joe chicken thighs are the best. They are so stinking tender and juicy and good. So you got to try them. Once you get your meat in, you got it all stirred up. I like to sprinkle some chopped green onion. Get a little bit of chopped green onion in there. Mix it up again. And then leave a little bit off to the side so that if you like a little extra onion in your bowl of salad, you can put it on. And then you've got one last bag that you got to put in here. These are the peanuts. Just sprinkle them around the top. And look at that. Dinner is served in like 6 minutes at the most. And you already grilled your meat earlier in the week. How easy is that? So try it. Try this salad. It is amazing. And I hope you enjoy it. Okay? And remember, every day is not going to be a good day, but there is good in every single day. I promise you, there is good in every single day. Find the good and share it, and invite somebody over to share your peanut crispy chicken salad and love it. Thanks for joining us on our YouTube channel.